In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook in laptop or PC. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to download the Facebook app onto your PC, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and just go ahead and type Store. Underneath Best Match, you should see the Microsoft Store come up. So what you want to do is give that a click to open up the Microsoft Store. Once the store has loaded through, come up to the search box at the top of the store, and in here you want to go ahead and type Facebook, and then you can search for Facebook. Then what you need to do, you can see we got Facebook here. You can see it's free. There's no payment or anything to download the app. Just give it a click to be taken to the app page. And on the app page, you're going to see a blue Get button. So what you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is start downloading and installing Facebook on your laptop or PC. So you just need to give it a minute or two to get ready and download everything. It only takes a minute or two to download. Once Facebook has finished downloading, you're going to see a blue open button. So what you want to do is give that a click to launch the Facebook app. We can close down the store. And as you can see, we've now got the Facebook app. So all you need to do now is press to log into your account. So you just want to enter your details, log in, and you'll be able to go ahead and access Facebook. So that is how to download Facebook in laptop or PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.